about yourself.
What?
Tell me something about yourself.
Lawrence Angelo L. Campos. Pitong araw. 6 years old. I only know is the only last thing is Coca-Cola.
Ako po ang mami ni Clarence. Ang pangalan ko si Connie, 47 years old.
Kasi ako lang yung bata ni mami ko. Ako lang. Ako lang.
Unang nasabi ni Clarence nung baby pa siya or nung toddler pa siya English kasi nasanay siya na ang pinanunod niya is yung mga Disney shows, yung mga kiddie shows sa Disney. Tapos meron siyang tape nung bata pa siya, yung baby na lagi niya pinanunod.
Snow. Snow? Yes. Winter is coming.
Ako na English sa Aguinaldo International School at nanood ako ng English na show at episode. Tapos sa Aguinaldo, na speak ako sa English. This is gonna be seen in the projector. Teacher Cheryl. But it says we'll have a video. All of us. Sabi. Ng araw. Ako lang yung bata na nasabi ng English. I told you, just put the camera and welcome to Rizal Park. I like backyard or Wendy's and call now and discover a charting world of Rizal Park and magic. What's your name? How old are you now? Ang una, ang patawid sa inang ang itong bagong tat. Salamat po. Children's playground now. And discover a charting magic. What is solar well, but it's still more exciting on the bawal ang hatag ang salamat po. Found water.
I'm Assistant Professor Maria Lourdes Reyes. I'm a faculty member of the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences and a faculty researcher. I'm a graduate of MA, Master of Arts in Language Education, and then this time I'm planning to pursue my degree, my doctoral degree in applied linguistics. Actually, there will be two child was trained to use English, I don't think that there will be a tremendous effect on the child. Kasi nga, according to M.A.K. Holiday, there is a certain theory, we call that register theory, that the context, the place, the time, the speaker, the audience, has something to do, they have something to do with the language learning. So if the context of the child is local, there will be no great effect on the child. Kasi nga, he is in a situation that he will be exposed, or he is somehow been in a situation that many are using Filipino. So walang masyadong epekto doon.
Advantage niya, hindi siya nahihiya na makipag-usap sa ibang tao, lalo na kung namamasyal or basta nasa isang lugar kami, pag may nagtanong sa kanya, hindi siya nahihiya. Kaya yung mga nakakausap niya, nagugulat sa kanya kasi ang sagot niya ay English. Kaya yun ang pinakutuwang minsan yung mga nakakausap ko pag nasa kami. Kahit na nasa isang kami ng mga relatives, kinakausap niya ng English. Disadvantage niya naman pag may kausap siya ng mga bata o kalaro sa isang mall, sa play area, minsan hindi nila naiintindihan or hindi nila kagad makuha kung ano yung gusto sa ano yung sinasabi ni Clarice kasi nga minsan straight ang na nakikipag-usap siya sa English. Kaya yung mga ibang bata na nakakausap niya, hindi siya minsan nasasagot agad dahil sila yung mga nakakalaro niya, hindi sanay magsalita ng English.
Like, if the English training is only happening inside the home, and then people outside or people in the society are using Filipino, there's no effect on that. Like, kung biglang manisip na magulang, na turuan na sabi ng po at oo, or magmano, there is no effect on that. Because the context is using that kind, or is practicing that kind of manners.
Mga magagala, minsan may po o po, parang doon sa mga nababasa niya, parang natutuwa rin siya. Tapos pag mayroong mga tanong doon sa tungkol doon sa binasa niya, yun, ang sagot din niya minsan may salitang po. Yun, tsaka yung mga wikan parang magagalang na salita. Ano natin nga, yung mas maganda nga kung halimbawang English nga, ano, para kung at least kahit saan siya pumunta, yung sanay na siyang magsalita ng English na salita. Pero maganda pa rin na matuto pa rin siyang magsalita ng Tagalog. Dahil kasi dito naman tayo, kumbaga lahat naman tayo lumaki dito sa natin talaga Pilipino or Tagalog yung salita.
But the problem would be on if the situation or the context is, like for example, abroad, like in America, or in other places, not local, there will be an effect. Okay? Now again, it will vary still according to the age. The younger the age, meaning the easier the acquisition and the learning. That's it. So the younger the age, the easier the acquisition and the learning. The older the age, the difficulty or the effect will be higher. So yun kasi yun. Kasi we have what we call affective filter. So kung ang bata naman ay maliit pa, then you're trying to teach that child manners exclusive for or manners practiced by the Filipino, madali. Okay? But if the child is already a teenager or a student already, it will be difficult for him or for her. Okay? So again, the effect will vary on the context and then the age. Okay? That's when we talk linguistics. Okay? That those two things.
Nasabi ako ng oo at opo. I mean, po at opo. Lahat ng araw at gabi at umaga.
Important to say po and opo.
Yes,
Bakit?
because it's very, very important to a young child, and even when they're also in grade 1, grade 1, grade 2, and high school until college.